Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to delete API key on MEXC. To delete API key from MEXC account, open up the MEXC application and make sure to log into your account. After you're inside the homepage of MEXC, tap on your profile avatar or your icon at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on API Management. Scroll all the way down from your API Management section and click the Delete button right next to Action. Click on the Confirm button in the pop-up and you will be able to delete the particular API key. Make sure you delete only the API keys you no longer need, as this action cannot be undone. If you suspect any unauthorized use of an API key, delete it immediately to secure your account. That is how you easily delete your API key if one of your API keys is unused or compromised. Following these steps will help you maintain your account security. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.